Oh no, it's got a hole in it. Trash? No. Let's rewind and repair it and proactively bring it back into useful state via sewing. You're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR.
Sewing needle with reclaimed thread.
Sewing along. Just gotta keep sewing along. So, it's not really that difficult. Sewing along, just gotta keep sewing along. So you can do this along as I keep singing this song. I'm halfway done doing this mending, sewing along. If you find value in what you're seeing, hit me up on a big thumbs up. Boom! So you can do this along as I keep singing this song. Just keep doing this. You can actually do this too. I know you guys can do it. You folks can do it out there. I so believe in you. It may seem difficult at first, but just keep trying at it. Keep making progress, one stitch at a time. One stitch at a time. One stitch at a time. Just gotta keep going with one stitch at a time. 'Cause I know you folks can do this too. And pulling it all together. Ooh, ah, yippee! And you folks can do it too. Yeah!
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.